How to fix mobile data is slow in Motorola S70. First of all, turn on off flight mode. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on network and internet. Now here you will see airplane mode, and if you want to turn on flight mode, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on flight mode from your phone. And if you want to turn off flight mode, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off flight mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, check network. Open setting, scroll down, click on network and internet, click on SIM add mobile network. Now check network. After check network, now go back. After that, reinsert in SIM. After reinsert SIM card, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. This is how you can fix mobile data is low in Motorola S70. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.